Alright guys, this is Josh. I'm the main host here of Drive Wisconsin. About to do a cold start of Project TaurAss, which is the 2003 Ford Taurus. It's going to be getting gutted out, and eventually eBay turbo is going to be thrown on it just to see what kind of abuse it'll take. Yeah, it's got a few vacuum leaks. Hasn't been started in a while, and and it's straight pipe too. So this should sound pretty interesting. Hope you guys like it. That was fun. Next up, later on today, starting the interior gut, and we'll be going from there. Alright, have a good day, guys.